Welcome to our DMC YouTube channel. For this episode, I will actually share to you how to actually add on into your Instagram highlight, which is you don't want to miss up anything on your Instagram stories because the Instagram stories, they were actually gone after 24 hours. How are you going to make it as a highlight? So let's check it out now. The first thing you're going to do is you have to log in into your Instagram account, and after that choose a post that you want to highlight. Example, now I'm going to create one highlight specially for motivation. So you will just need to click on the new button on this column right here. You can see right there's a lot of highlight stories. Just click the new one, and after that choose what type of stories that you actually wanted to mention. Let's say I want to mention about this, which is this one on 20th of July. Click on that and click on next. So here's your highlights. So you can edit your cover. I will just choose Monday motivation. So Monday motivation, maybe the word is too long, too long, I'll just put motivation. Okay, so I'll just put motivation and click done. So once done, you can see the stories that I mentioned highlight just now is actually showing on here, which is the motivation. Click on that and you will see this is the highlight that I wanted to show it to my audience. So what if you want to add on more motivation quotes? You can just scroll down and go to this again. You can just click on this and you can choose you want to post to other apps. If you're not, you can just back to just now here on this um, motivation, click on that and see there's a more three dots on the right bottom. Click on it and then click the edit highlight and choose add. So you can choose one more for the motivation, which is this one. Okay, after done, same, click on this done. So we got two motivation on the highlights now. Let's have a look. The first one on the 1 week ago, and the one is like 12 hours ago. So that's very simple how you actually add on for this Instagram highlight. See you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to help us to like, share, and comment below if you love this video. Please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!